everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and I have some happy mail to share with you guys today. I thought I would, do a little bit of an unboxing on camera. So yeah, let's just jump straight in, shall we? I'll explain as we go. So this one, I have a feeling is from a company that contacted me last week. Let me just open it and see. Ah, yes. So this was sent to me this week. It's a weekly to-do pad. I just think it looks so cool. So a company called Grey Lines Australia actually contacted me last week to see if they could send me one of their planners to have a look at. And I said, oh my God, sure, I will definitely be into that. So they sent me one of these weekly to-do pads. And I love the look of it when she first showed it to me in the email. I thought, oh, that looks so cool. It's actually an Aussie one. Is it all Aussie? No, not all Aussie, but there's actually some Aussie ones on here that if you are Aussie, you will recognize them. So I really love this. This is so cute. So it's just a pad like that you can just use each week. And it has on here Monday, it's a no from me, and there's like a cartoon character of Simon Cowell. Then down the bottom here, it's got don't forget to schedule in a gym session. And these are the characters from Kath and Kim, which is an Australian comedy. And then Friday, we've got Fry-Yay with Kanye, obviously. And then on Monday, it's when Sunday stops feeling like a Sunday and the reality of Monday kicks in. Things to do for next week. So that is so cool. I really love that pad. I actually think I'm going to use that at work because it's it's really good to jot down the stuff I need to do at work, and that is so funny. So that was from, like I said, and I got a little card here that's got all their details on. So it says, Kanye, this is the best order of all time. So it's from greylines.com.au. So if you want to check, I will definitely check out their website now to see what other stuff they've got, but I love that pad. So if you want to check them out, that's their details below. And I just want to say a big thank you to Grey Lines for sending this to me. I think this is my first little, gift that I've been sent, and I absolutely love it. I will definitely check out your website to see what other stuff you've got because that's awesome. It's so cute. So that's my first happy mail. I'm very, very excited about that one, if you can't tell. I've got another Planners Anonymous unboxing to show you. I was so impressed with the first kit that I got that I actually went on their website and purchased 2 of their previous month's kits that were still available, and I just thought I'd share them with you today. So I won't do a long intro because there's probably a lot to show you guys, so we'll just jump straight in. So I bought 2 extra previous month's subscriptions, and I will take them out and show you which ones we got. So the first one is this blue themed one is the Wonderlust themed kit, and this one is the Funfair themed kit. So these were 2 previous months that they still had available on their website that you can purchase. And yeah, I just thought I'd share them with you today because they're I love them. I just think they're beautiful kits. So we'll go with the Wonderlust one first. So this is how it actually comes all packaged up, and that's the extra sticker pack. This is your standard subscription box kit, which is $44.95, and then this is the extra sticker pack, which you can add to that for about $20. So I know it seems steep, but if that's your hobby, that's your hobby. That's how I see it. And I don't have, well, I was going to say I don't have many hobbies, but that's a lie. But anyway, so in this kit, it's basically the same things that you get, but just obviously different themed. So let's go through the papers first, since they're the biggest thing and we can get them out the way. So again, you get 6 sheets of paper, and they're all double-sided. So you get 2 of this one. So you've got your envelope sort of vacation one there with your floral pattern on the back. So that's those 2. We have all the travel stamps here with a nice watercolored picture on the back. So that's those 2. And then we have a world map and a red, white and blue striped watercolor print on that one. So that's the papers for this month. And you can use those to make dashboards. You can use them to make dividers. You can just add them as extra pages in your travel journal, traveler's notebook if you have one. There's many things that you can use these for. So that's the papers. Next we have the stamping kit. So again, on the Wanderlust theme, you have your world maps, you have your girl. I think there's always a girl that's featured in every kit. So that's your girl there. You've got some blank boxed stickers there, some suitcases, an aeroplane, ship. So yeah, plenty of uses for your stamping kit this month. You also get a stamp pad. You also get a little jar of confetti, which has many uses. There's all different little shapes in there. I can see little cars, all the coordinating colors of the confetti. Also, you get your 3-pack of washi. So you always get a skinny washi, a medium size and a thick one. Not sure of the exact dimensions, but yeah, so again, all along the coordinating theme. It was quite pretty. And like I said, yeah, it's what I love about it is the fact that it's all coordinating. So, you know, when you're doing up your pages, they'll all come together beautifully. It also comes with a pen, which is a blue and gold pen this time. And again, it's filled with some little crystal gems in there, which are quite nice. And it's a twist style ballpoint pen. This is the standard sticker kit that comes with your normal subscription box. So you get 4 in a pack. So you get that one, that one. You got your days of the week there. And then you've got all your little labels and headers, weekly, health, exercise, food, etc. So that's your standard sticker kit that comes with the normal subscription box. And then we also have a packet of these little pictures. You can use these many different ways to decorate in your planner. And then the backing card you can also use within your planner as well. It's like a little note from the team, but you could use these as a bookmark or something like that. So that's a cute little bookmark there. Next, you get a packet of cards, or quote cards, I think they are called. So you have Adventure is Calling Me. Sorry, I'm trying to read it upside down. That one. That one. So yeah, they're beautiful little cards. And also you get a packet of little tabs. So you get 6 of those in the coordinating colors, and you would fold them like that and stick them on your page. And then the additional sticker pack is this one here. So this is extra to the subscription box. And because I'm sticker obsessed, I have to get the sticker pack. So we've got that one. And they're always different as well from the normal stickers that you get. So it's not like they're going to be doubling up. They're just additional stickers. I like these block ones that you can actually put in your planner as a block sticker. You've got all your days of the week, so you'll have a couple of those, so you can fill out a full month's worth. You've also got your trackers and your different trackers there as well, which I like. You get 4 different colours, 3 different colours of those. You've got your little characters here. and that's the sticker pack. So that's the Wonderlust pack, which I absolutely love. And the next kit I wanted to show you is the Funfair kit. This is also a past kit for Planners Anonymous, and that's the extra sticker pack there. So I'll open this up. So this looks really pretty. Obviously a Funfair theme, which is beautiful. I love the colors. And yeah, so I'll show you the pages first, because obviously that takes up the most room. So again, you get 6 coordinating papers. So we've got this one first, and then the fun-filled rainbow slide on the back. So 2 of those. We get the dotted one with the roller coaster on the back, that one. And this one I absolutely love. A watercolor of the theme park on the wharf and another watercolor on the back. So those are your coordinating pages for this pack. We have our stamp pack as well, and again the girl of the month for the Funfair, and yeah, just all stamps obviously to do with the Funfair, which are really cute. So that's that one. Then for our washi tape this month, oh, I absolutely love these. The colors in them are just absolutely beautiful. So this is the big washi tape. You have your carousel horses and your princess carriages, which are just beautiful. And you got your different ticket stubs, which are really, really cute as well. And then that one obviously is your dotted one. So you've got your skinny, medium and fat washi there. Next we have our little box of confetti again, and again it's filled with little horses and confetti and sequins in the coordinating color schemes. You have your little stamp pad, which is I think in this color, I'd say like a pinky color that you can use for this month. Also your pen, which is the similar sort of pen in the nice pink and gold with your little crystals in the middle. Then we have our packet of tabs. So you have your different tabs here. Then we have our little, what I like to call my bookmark. Next we have our quote cards, all again in the Funfair theme. Can't wait to decorate with these guys. They just look so pretty. That's them. Then we have our little packet of are they die cuts? Is that what they're called? I can't think of the word. I haven't been able to think of the word, but maybe die cuts or girls of the month here. Oh, the balloons are cute. These, I love these. These would make your pages look so pretty. Cotton candy. Big rainbow Slurpee, some quotes, unicorn, oh I love the tickets, I love ticket stubs, carousel, and then another backing sheet, which I love this picture, it's really, really pretty. So that's those. And then for the sticker packs, so this is the sticker pack that comes with the normal subscription box. So these are your stickers for this month. Oh, I love those days of the week. That looks great. So that's those. And then the extra sticker pack is here. So we've got our girl of the month again in a sticker form. Some quotes there. Oh, the ticket stubs. I love the ticket stubs. The carousel is very pretty. God, these are almost like they're too nice that you don't even want to use them. You got your block stickers here for your planner. Oh, I love that one. That's really nice. And that one too. Oh God, they're all nice. You got your little, or your to-do list. That'd be more of a to-do list. These ones are your trackers. And the different colours. I like that you can use a different colour for each week. And then your little icon girls as well. So yeah, that's the 2 extra subscription kits that I have purchased for myself. And yeah, well, I will definitely be having one of these unboxings once a month for you guys. So I'll definitely share them as I get them. And hopefully in the not too distant future, I will be showing you how I decorate my planner with some of this as well. So stay tuned for those. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss them. It's just clicking that little red button below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.